Saw maintenance is important to make sure your saw stays sharp and efficient for as long as possible. It might sound like quite a bit of work, but it's definitely worth the time in the end. Let's explore how to keep your saw in top-notch condition. To sharpen your saw, you'll need a small triangular file or sharpening rod. The key here is to sharpen each sharpened surface of every tooth of the saw blade. It might take some time and practice, but fear not. We've got some handy products for you to learn this new skill. Not every saw is the same, so make sure you refer to your saw's manual or the manufacturer's guidelines for precise instructions. But these are the basic steps you have to go through to sharpen your saw. First, you securely clamp the saw in a vise, so your saw doesn't move during the sharpening process. Then you'll sharpen all the sharpened surfaces of your saw by positioning your sharpening tool at the same angle as the existing surface and moving the file in one direction away from the saw, ensuring smooth and even strokes with moderate pressure. After doing this for about 10 to 15 times for all the surfaces of the teeth, turn the saw and do the same for the teeth on the other side. After sharpening, check the teeth to make sure they're all sharp, without any rough edges or dents. You can test by cutting a piece of wood to confirm sharpness and efficiency. If your saw blade is beyond repair or you don't want to spend a long time sharpening, your best bet is a replacement. Most saws on our website have a replaceable blade, and most of the time changing them is a very straightforward process. It's also cheaper because it saves you from purchasing an entire new saw. Keep your saw sharp and clean by cleaning it regularly. Sawdust and resin between the teeth can make it less effective. A good way to clean it is by using olive oil, which is eco-friendly. Olive oil dissolves resin, keeping your blade clean and sharp. If there's tough dirt, you can also use oven cleaner. Just apply it and wipe it away with a clean, dry cloth. Proper storage of your saw is crucial, even when your saw is not in use. Ensure your saw is dry. Store it in a holster and place it in a dry location. Moisture can lead to rust, so protect your dry saw blade with a coating of Vaseline or maintenance oil like Ballistol or Sharpen maintenance oil. Hanging your saw is a safe and effective storage method. Putting the saw in a drawer with other tools is a quick way to dull or damage your saw. In case your saw blade has rusted, solutions like flitz or vinegar can come to the rescue. Soak the blade in vinegar for 24 hours. Then brush away the rust with a steel brush or aluminum foil. For light rust, a cloth covered in flitz or vinegar will probably be sufficient. By following these maintenance tips, you'll keep your saw in peak condition, ensuring reliable and efficient performance for a long time. Happy sawing!